Hello and welcome to the fifth and final of these free verse poem explanation videos. So, as I mentioned earlier, these are designs where I started with the circles and did not have a quote in mind when I first put pen to paper. And this one goes above and beyond as far as the craziness you can do with this script and how kind of crazy I was with doing palindromic sections and things that have different, looks and meanings and reversibility in this script. That is not true for the English script, which is why I have this bit here. Because there is a palindrome for I promise my ease, never test, and test, never ease my promise, which has kind of an interesting double meaning, which I'll get to when I get to. So with that being said, I'm actually going to start by talking about where I started with this design. So here's the bottom of the design, and typically you'd read this first, which says a proud storm. No, a beautiful storm. But this is the very first word I drew, and I branched everything off of this word. This is the word tempest. And everything sort of connects to tempest. And tempest was the idea I had behind this design because I thought the swirls looked like a storm. And then I wanted to think about and express how feelings and emotion and love and being who you are could be a tempest. So going around tempest, I wrote is no impeding a proud tempest. And I wanted to put the describer of proud here because I'm imagining, not gonna lie, a drag queen. Somebody who just storms into the room and she is her, she is she. She is a proud tempest and you better not get in her way. So yeah. Is no impeding a proud tempest, and then I have there. There is no impeding a proud tempest. And that there can either branch into this section, so there is no impeding a proud tempest, or it can go around there, forever, love. So THERE, and then FOREVER, LOVE. So there, forever, love. Or love there forever, or forever, love there is no. You can spiral around. And to try to make it make a little bit more sense, I put in these words here that kind of branch into it. So if we have this start marker, so now we're getting to the actual sentence structure of the design. So here's our first and biggest start marker, and probably where if you were first looking at this and didn't know the history of the script, you would start reading here. Then you'd go either this way or this way and be confused, and if you go this way, you would see the word I, line going inwards, little guy vowel, so I, and then you'd be confused again on do I go this way or this way, but we're going to go this way to kind of jump into what we've already read. So I will be there forever, love. There is no impeding a proud tempest, and that's our first actual perfectly normal linear sentence as far as what can be read in a normal order and make sense. So I will be there forever, love. There is no impeding a proud tempest. So I'll be there forever, love. There is no impeding a proud tempest. Is the kind of vibe I wanted to get from that sentence structure, yeah. I will be there forever, love. There is no impeding a proud tempest. Like, she is here. You cannot stop her. Woo. Okay, so here's another way you can read it. So starting here, I, then we have promise, my, and then we have a proper palindrome. Yay, here's that ease never test, test never ease my promise section. So we have this start marker going this way, as well as this start marker going back this way. So you can read it this way, and then this way, whoop, whoop. So I, promise, my, and then we have the start of the palindrome, E, here's an A and an S together as one letter. So you can stack vowels onto consonants. So that means this A with a slash through it is read before the S with 1, 2, 3 lines. So a slash moves a vowel up one letter in the stack. And then we have the S, which has 3 lines. So that would be an AS as one letter E, ASE, so ease. And then we have this word, which again is palindromic. We can start either going this way around or this way around because it's just got 2 stacks. NE, then we have a V with 1 line. And then E with 1 slash, bring it in front of the R, which has 3 dots. So lots of letter stacking here. Shallow divot, 1 line is the thin one, so you read it first because you read thin to thick. So the V is before the R, the E gets brought up in front of the R because it has one slash. Lots of rules. But anyway, never is this word. T, here's an ES. Unlike the A, the E is a bit closer inside the S, and then a T is a shallow divot. So T, EST, or E, ASE. Okay, so test, never ease, or ease, never test. My promise. So the meaning behind that is I promise my ease, never test, meaning I will not play stupid games in this relationship. I will be easy on you, but like, it's not like be easy, it is I promise my ease, which is different than I'll be easy on you. I just promise my ease. I'll be lenient. I'll imagine the best in the situation. I promise my ease. And never test, meaning I won't do these weird test game things. I won't do a test for the sake of a test. But test, never ease my promise, meaning you can hold me to my oath, meaning you can like you can make mistakes and you can test my promise and you can hold me true. So test, never ease my promise is the other half of this palindrome and its meaning. And then we have promise my, and then future. This is the word F-U-T-U-R-E, and it is just kind of stuck here because I wanted something to go in the corner. But future ease works. Future, never test, promise my future. It works. That word works there in the sentence. So yeah. And then we have our last little bit here. Then we have a B-E-A-U. This is a shallow divot T, I line going inwards, F, 1, 2, 3 lines, U, line going outwards, L, 1, 2, 3. So beautiful. And then S-T-O-R-M. So a beautiful storm is what I kind of wanted to title the piece, and I put that at the bottom here, which typical reading order is you would probably read this first like the title here. So as far as a direct linear translation, this was the closest I could get. A beautiful storm. I promise my future. Then I promise my ease, never test, or future ease, never test. And then I will test, never ease my promise. I will be there forever, love. There is no impeding a proud tempest. So yeah, that's that design. A lot packed in here. And yeah. I'm really happy with it. I'm really happy with how much you can do in expressing things with the script in a non-linear fashion. Huge nerd points. But yeah, there is no impeding a proud tempest. Let's go. Bye.